Ananya. Welcome to our channel, Home Magic by me and my mom. Thanks for watching our previous video. Today I'm going to show you simple and beautiful ethnic style home decor. Sometimes small changes make very big difference. Today's home decor is one such kind that it gives an aesthetic feel and positive vibration to your place. So here we start. This corner of our living room is right beside the balcony and with good ventilation. We want to decorate this place in an ethnic style which is also easily changeable. Generally, this space is used for a crockery unit, but we want to make as per our taste. So I want to take a wooden cabinet over here. We bought this elegant and colorful wooden cabinet from online furniture store called Pepperfry. The color of the wood matches with the remaining furniture of our living room, so we thought this suits best to our place. Two things to be remembered. First, decorate the top of the cabinet and then the wall. Let's cover the cabinet with a beautiful cloth. We have this table runner. Let's paint this and keep this on the cabinet. Let us first mark our design with a pencil. We took a simple traditional rangoli design on this table runner. Here we used acrylic paint pens, which are so easy and comfortable to use as these work just like a pen. Acrylic paint pens are available at leading stationery shops, and you can also find them in online shopping websites. You can also use regular paint and brushes instead of paint pens. If you want the design to be a little darker, give a second round on it. Here is the final output. White paint looks great on this red background. Wow! My mom has painted this beautifully. Let's keep this on the cabinet. Helping my mom in arranging these things and adding some of my ideas to decoration makes me so happy. And in doing so, I even get more and more ideas. We can place here idols of Lord Buddha, Sri Krishna, etc. I'm learning classical dance, so I want to place Lord Nataraja. We bought this beautiful brass idol of Lord Nataraja and this urli at a local handicraft showroom of Abbots, Hyderabad. See this elegant brass diya cum diffuser. We can light a lamp, and on top of it, we can also use camphor as a natural diffuser. The aroma of camphor drives away all the negative energies of the place. We can place some pictures over here, but I want to replace it with a mirror. Isn't it beautiful? We bought it from Amazon. The details of purchases are given in description box. Wow, it's so beautiful. That place looks empty. I want to place a hanging diya here. Let me hang this beautiful peacock diya. We bought it from Amazon. It looks so good, right? Wow, I love this entire setup. This was gifted by my father's friend. I want to keep this here. You can use a tea light candle on this, and it looks so bright and colorful due to this glass cover. Everything looks good, but something is missing. Yes, a plant. I want to keep a plant over here. Let me arrange some plant pots. I have this cute bamboo mug gifted to my mother by her friend. I want to paint on this to make it more colorful and ethnic. This is my drawing book and I made a rough sketch of the design I wish to paint on this mug. I used acrylic paint pens to paint on this mug. You can also use regular paint and brushes as per your convenience. We could not record every bit of painting this mug, so I have taken another video as to how I painted this mug step by step. You can take your own ideas of simple designs to paint on these objects. For me, paint pens are more convenient. As the wooden cabinet is colorful, I wanted to make the plant pots also colorful. Choosing of colors is very important so as to ensure that we don't repeat the nearest shades immediately. I have planned these colors before I started painting on the mug. All this planning makes our work so easy. I took varieties of designs for each line. Sometimes repetition of design also looks good. That is how I painted on this mug. Hope you understood the step-by-step process. Finally, I painted on this handle with plain colors to give contrast look. Here is the mug. Isn't it colorful and ethnic? My mom has painted this swirly design on this white old pot. Wow, I love these. I'll use them as my plant pots. Painting on this was done by my mother and this one by me. Let me use this waste bottle for my money plant. I want to decorate this with flowers. Wow, it's so ethnic. I like everything over here. Let me light this diya too. Putting some camphor on this diya is my favorite job. The aroma of camphor drives away all the negative energies and it feels so pleasant. Isn't it so refreshing? This looks so nice even during the night time when we light all the diyas including the hanging diya. Hope you like this simple decoration with small artistic changes. Even you can make such easy and beautiful paintworks on the old or plain objects available at your home to make them more beautiful. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.